This is the day the Lord has made, for us to rejoice in it. Heavenly Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Let thy kingdom come, let thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, forgive our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy is the kingdom, the power and the glory. You're listening to Coffee O'Clock with Gobzilla. 25 minutes past 8, listening to your favorite G, Gobzilla wale Rusty Dusty, you know how it is. Baraba me tumelan. Coffee. Okay, I mean, think about it. I think spirituality can be a very complex phenomena if you get to think about it. We can unpack in so many ways. I mean, in this world we're living in now as human beings, who are you to judge? In a kind of sense, I mean, there's Christianity, there's Hindu practice, Buddhism. I mean, there's a lot, voodoo, you know, and then there's Moloi. Oh, cannot like a polokwane, ne? Precious. Oh yes. Oh, ba go loya ngwa. Ba go betsa yana.
Nna sa nkile ka loiwa. Ba mpetha ka tladi letsatsi le fish.
Listening to Coffee O'Clock with Gobzilla.